are inside, and if I just push on the battery, the light is on. The same problem appears when I put the rubber protection on the batteries, and it seems that something is, look, the light is already on. When I close it, just with this, you can see you can not close it at all, because the light is still with a very small density, but it's still on. When I try to open it, it doesn't work. Okay, now works. When I push these batteries, once again, the light is still on. When I take this off, the rubber protection, the light is off, and this is good. Now works normally. But when I just push this a little bit, look, the light is on. And it's on all the time when the rubber protection is in place where it should be. Now again it's on. Look, the light is. This means something is wrong here inside of this place where the batteries are. Now works, but you can not shut it down totally.